Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and today we're getting ready to make Brussels sprouts. This is an amazing recipe. It's going to be buttery and slightly charred with a hint of bacon. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, we are back. Let's go over our ingredients. First of all, we have the star of the dish, Brussels sprouts. This is an amazing Brussels sprouts recipe, but it's going to be Brussels sprouts and potatoes. Now I have 3 Yukon Gold potatoes here. You can use red potatoes, white potatoes, Irish potatoes, whatever potatoes you like to use. We have a medium onion. I'm going to use about half of that. A couple of tablespoons of butter. I have some fried and crumbled bacon, sea salt, this is Himalayan salt, and olive oil. Few other ingredients are going to go in that we'll get to along the way. Okay, I think that's going to do it. Let me show you how to prepare the Brussels sprouts. Now, I believe that side dishes should be quick and easy, and therefore today we are using frozen Brussels sprouts. You just want to take them and cut them lengthwise in half, because when you cook them, you're going to have to face them down. So just get them all cut right down the center. And that's all the preparation they will need. Now, you can use just regular fresh Brussels sprouts, but your timing is going to be a little bit longer when you cook them, or I should say quite a bit longer. Okay, I'm gonna knock these out and we'll be back. I have my potatoes peeled, and you want to make sure you slice them pretty uniform in size so that they will cook evenly. You don't want them too small, but you don't want them too chunky either. So this is what we're doing, just like that. And I'm going to cut the rest of these up and we'll be back. We're going to go in with some olive oil so that we can crispy up our potatoes, get them nice and sautéed. Just want to cook these until they are slightly brown, golden brown all over. And our potatoes are turning nice and golden brown, so now we're going to go in with our onions. Cook them in just until they're translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. This is smelling amazing. Now we're going to go in with our garlic. Just for another minute or 2. Let's go ahead and add in our Himalayan salt. And I know I said this before, but all the ingredients, direct measurements will be in the descriptions. This is a little paprika and a few red pepper flakes. Okay, now we're going to remove this from the skillet because we're going to go back in. We'll be cooking it some more with our Brussels sprouts. Using the same skillet, we're going to go in with some olive oil. And we're going to turn our Brussels sprouts cut side down, each one. This is the only thing that takes a little time because you want to make sure they're all cut side down so they can get a little char on that side. Then we will be adding our potatoes back in. All right, once they get that initial char on them, just like that, you can go ahead and get them all turned over. That's what we want, that initial char on there. Now you can just go ahead and flip them over. Doesn't that look amazing? Look at that char on there, guys. Look at that char. Look at the char. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. Now we're just going to let them char a little bit more on the other side. They all don't have to be turned over perfectly at this point. You just want to get the char on the other side of some of them. And guys, you see a link inside to my website. If you guys are enjoying this video and would like to get some exclusive content, please go over to my website and sign up for my free email list. It's absolutely free. From time to time, I'll be sending out exclusive recipes as well as sending out an email every time I upload a new video, so you'll be first to get the content. Okay, so now that we've got some char on both sides, as you can see, they're nicely charred. Now we're going to go back in with our potatoes, onions, and garlic. Turn it down on low. Mix this all together. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing, guys. And we are pretty much all done. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Now we're going to go in with our butter. This is about 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure that's mixed all in really, really well for that nice buttery flavor. Oh my goodness. Then we're going to go in with our crumbled bacon. And there you have it, guys. There you have it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Okay, guys, this is our amazing Brussel Sprouts recipe. This is Brussels sprouts and potatoes, buttery flavor with a hint of bacon. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.